So today, you'll learn how to make a photo negative in CapCut Desktop. So the first step is to open your photo, and if you have a previous photo project that you're working on, you can just select it under this project section and it will open the project interface. However, if it's your first time adding your photo, then you'll need to click on Create Project. And then once you've selected it, you should see this interface appearing on your screen. So from here, you need to import the image. So click on Import and then go to the location where you've saved your photos. So it can be under the Photos section, under Downloads. It's completely up to you. And then once you found your images, you want to select it and then you want to click on Open. So just look for that specific photo and then click on Open. Once you've done that, it will be added to the import section. So now you want to add it to the timeline. And you can do this in two ways. You can click on this plus icon to add it, or you can just drag and drop it directly onto the timeline. So from here, making the photo negative is completely simple. So this is how it looks like originally. When we want to make it negative, we want to move this timeline icon to the beginning of the photo. And then you want to ensure that we've selected it. Once you've selected the image, you then want to come to the top and select the option Effects. And under Effects, you want to select Video Effects. Once you've done that, you then want to use the search function under your video effects section, and you want to type in negative, and then you want to search. Once you've searched, you should see different negative effects that you can apply to your image. So from here, it's up to you to choose which one you want to test out. So if you want to test something like the shadow effect, the shadow negative effect, you can just click on this download icon. Wait for it to be downloaded and you can see the preview being applied to the photo. So if you want to now add it to the whole image completely and you're okay with how the preview looks like, you can just click on the plus icon on the effect and then it will be added to the image. You'll notice that it won't cover the whole image, so it's up to you to either shorten the length of the image or increase the length of the effect so that it covers the whole image. So now you can see the whole image has been applied to that shadow negative effect. If you don't like how it looks like, you can always just delete it. And to do that, you can select the effect and click on either backspace or delete on your keyboard, or you can use this trash icon in the tools section and select, and it will delete itself. Then from here, you can go back and choose a different negative effect that you want to use. For example, blue negative. I can click on this plus icon and it will be applied to my image. You can go even further to customize this negative effect. So again, ensure that you have it selected. And then you can come to basic, and under basic, you should see options for color and speed. So color allows you to increase or decrease the intensity of that negative effect. So you'll notice this is how it looks like at 100. This is how it looks like at 56. And then this is how it looks like at 0. So it's up to you to decide how intense you want that negative effect to be. You can also choose to add keyframes so that at specific positions, the negative effect is not there, and at other specific positions, the negative effect has been applied. So all you need to do is click on Add Keyframe. Then you can see the keyframe has been added. Then just choose how you want the intensity to be like. Then move the timeline icon even further. And then increase or decrease the negativity, and you'll notice a keyframe being added. So you can go through this whole effect, just increasing or decreasing the negativity, intensity. And then you'll notice now whenever you play whenever you play your video photo like this, you'll notice it's switching between the intensity of the negativity. So it's up to you to customize that to your liking. You also have the option of increasing or decreasing the speed of the negativity. So if you want it to appear slower, that's how it would look like. So when you play the video like that, you should see how the speed looks like. If you want to increase it, you can just increase it to your liking. So it's completely up to you to customize this negative effect in CapCut. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.